Hello, Nasharim. How you guys doing? We miss you guys so much. Today I have a few of my friends that are hanging out with me today, and I will show you them once we're done with this book that we're about to read, or that I'm about to read to you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. And this book is called "The Pigeon Wants a Puppy." The pigeon wants a puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? At least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, 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 puppy! Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. Once a month? Not once a month, right? Puppies need water every day. Make sure that their bowl is never empty. Right? Not once a month. That's too long. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Sounds like Pigeon needs a plant, not a puppy. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on a puppy or play tennis with it? You just don't understand. I'm a puppy loving pigeon. Pigeon really wants a puppy. Aww, puppies. That's how I feel when I see puppies. I just want to hug them, kiss them, take them home. I want a puppy right here and right now. Oh. Pigeon's getting upset. Woof! What's that? Woof, woof! Is it possibly have my dreams come true? Woof, woof! Puppy hears, not puppy, but pigeon hears something. Woof! Ah! Oh no! It's huge. The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. Look at Pigeon. I've changed my mind. So it looks like Pigeon does not want a puppy anymore. I want a walrus. The end. So Pigeon finally will realize that the puppy was bigger than him. And he's changed his mind and now he wants a walrus. But he's soon gonna find out that a walrus is not this small. that a walrus is this big, right? Walruses are huge, and walruses do not make good pets. Speaking about pets, I have two of my good friends that are joining me today. I'm going to show you guys my dogs. I have two dogs, Raider, which is the big gray one, and my little dog Boaz. As you can see, he's over there laying down on the carpet. But here we go. I'm going to show you guys my dogs. And I also got them some treats. So they love bacon. They love bacon. So here is Raider. Can you say hi, Raider? And here comes Boaz. Boaz, come here. Boaz, come here. And that's Boaz, see? Oh, Boaz just grabbed a treat off the table. But they're really good dogs. So I'm going to have them sit. 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 Good boy. Sit, Boaz. And here's Boaz. Stay. So you get a better picture of them. And Raider's really good dog. He's 10 years this month. Wow, sit down. 10 years this month. And Boaz is... Boaz? Where you at, Boaz? And Boaz is, I think he's 7 years in August or something like that. Or July. And I'm going to give him a treat. Here we go. Ready? Good boy. And here's Boaz. Well, he just ate the treat out of my hand, though. But those are my two dogs. Stop. And they're really good dogs. Boaz. Come here, Boaz. Here's Boaz. And Boaz going to eat a treat out of my mouth. Don't try this at home, please. Here, look. Boaz. No good. Good boy. Yeah, my dogs are really cool. Yeah, I love my dogs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I know that you guys have pets, maybe some dogs, maybe some cats, maybe some fish or birds. Or if you don't have a pet, then maybe you can take care of the animals that are outside. Maybe the birds. Give them some bird seed or something like that. Or I know that some friends have like different animals around their house. Maybe like deer or something like that. But it's not good to feed deer, because if you do that, then they'll never leave your house, and they're always expecting food. But those are my two dogs, and no, they're not walruses. They're easy to take care of. Like me personally, I have to make sure that my dogs have enough food and water, and they need to eat and drink every day. Pigeon only would give he thought that taking care of puppy was giving the puppy water every month, which is not true. You have to give. Can you hear that? My dog likes to move the bowl, and he's asking for water. Let me see if I can flip this over. Look. No, I can't do it. But look, you can see that he's shaking the bowl because he's asking me for water. I'm over here telling you guys that my dogs need water, and I look in his water dish, and he doesn't even have any water. Oh, but I'll take care of that right now. So, look, you can hear him again. He's getting Nancy. He wants his water. You hear it? All right, guys. I love and miss you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And take care of your animals. Take care of your pets. Take care of your birds, your fish. Make sure they have enough water. And, well, of course, fishes have enough water all the time because they live in water, right? And make sure that I'm getting there, buddy. You hear that? Oh, man. All right, guys. I have to go. I have to give my dog some water. You guys enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.